In this video, we're going to go through the process of depositing NEX tokens into your Nash account and then creating a stake with that NEX. Start by clicking the Send Receive button to open the transfer modal, and search for the Nash Exchange token NEX by scrolling in the dropdown or searching directly once the dropdown is open. Select the external account as the option to deposit from. This could be any wallet that is outside of the Nash account you have created. As this account has no NEX in it yet, it will automatically select the personal account as your destination to send to. This is because you can only send assets from an external source to your personal account. Below, you will see your NEX account address in text and QR code format. In this example, I will scan the QR code and send NEX using my Nash app. Once you have sent the funds with whatever method you have chosen, click the I have sent my funds button, and this will take you to your transfers page. Your transfer should appear after a few seconds, but if it doesn't, try clicking the refresh button. Once your transfer is completed, it will show as completed in the transfers page. Next, navigate to the staking section of the platform. Find and press the Create a New Stake button. Stake creation is broken down into the amount of NEX you want to stake in whole numbers, and the amount of time you want to stake for. The minimum time to stake is 1 month and the maximum is 24 months, with 1 month increments in between. You can stake for as little or as long as you like, but the longer you stake for, the higher dividends you may receive. Once you're happy with your stake setup, read and check the checkboxes below if you're happy with the terms set out. And that's it, you've created your first stake. It will take around 1 minute or so before it will appear on your staking dashboard.